rally tradition that has given birth to 6 World Rally Championships and 13 U.S. Rally titles, is once again redefining race-inspired performance for the street. The 2022 Subaru WRX is new from the wheels up. At its heart is a new 2.4-liter Subaru Boxer engine with 271 horsepower. A new electronic wastegate delivers a near-instant flow of power and torque. Maximum torque hits all the sweet spots in a fat power band. Breathtaking performance is matched to the proven edge of standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. Handling is the sharpest and most stable ever in a WRX. The suspension is track-tuned for even tighter control. A new strut-mounted front anti-roll bar increases roll stiffness 20%. Functional air vents aid high-speed steering stability. Dual pinion steering gives the driver a smoother, more immediate response. The rock-solid body has a nearly 30% increase in torsional stiffness to improve ride and handling. The cockpit is designed for drivers. Standard 6-speed manual transmission, D-shaped steering wheel to connect you to the road. Aluminum alloy pedal covers. You drive immersed in technology and safety with an intuitive 11.6-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, and a premium audio experience. EyeSight driver assist technology with an improved field of view and smoother operation. The all-new GT trim gives drivers another take on the all-new WRX. Its track-ready Subaru performance transmission gets you into the action with paddle shifters, automatic downshift clipping control, a 444:1 final drive ratio for engaging performance, an 8-speed manual mode, and advanced shift logic. Shifting is rapid fire. A dedicated oil cooler helps keep the transmission going strong under hard cornering. Electronically adaptive dampers let you stiffen the action for your favorite road. Recaro front seats are standard. Drive mode select sets up your steering, throttle, all-wheel drive, dampers, and other key functions for a personalized driving experience. The WRX is all a driver could ask for, wrapped in aggressive new styling. Bold new Kanoji headlights, Magma design tail lights, new contrast body panels improve aerodynamics thanks to a Subaru engineered surface. The WRX GT comes with a style all its own. Whichever WRX you choose, you'll feel its long racing heritage with every heartbeat. Experience the all-new 2022 Subaru WRX. The rally legend for the next generation.